Okay. Hello. Uh, I just got challenged to do the periodic table of elements. I've done this before. I've played it a few times, and they gave me like a 12-minute challenge, and I'm like, I could do it in like 7 or 8 minutes easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make it hard on myself, and I'm gonna make it. Oh, okay. I didn't know you could move that. All right, I'm gonna make it so that it's ridiculous. These stupid ads. I'll tell you what. I refuse to ever pay for their service because they do this. It always drags your time down. Like already a minute into, almost a minute into the video, and I still haven't even started telling you what I wanted to tell you. They challenged me for 12 minutes. I said, too easy. So I'm going to try to do them in order. And trust me, when you do them in order, you can't just randomly think things as they're popping into your head, and it distracts you and stuff too. If you don't do them in order, it takes a lot longer. So I'm going to try to, there's only like 13 minutes left in the video, 13 minutes and 33 seconds left in the video. So I'm going to try to do it in order. Hopefully it works. Hopefully they won't be popping ads up and freezing me. All right, here we go. That's another one. So magnesium, manganese, erbium, terbium. There's a whole bunch of thallium, tholium, thallium. It mixes you up, so you got to be precise. Aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. I mix up argon and arsenic. Don't ask. Well, probably because AR. That's probably why. What is this? Potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt. Selenium, okay, because I mix up strontium and rubidium also. Strontium. Plus I mix up dubnium and rubidium. Don't ask me why. Zirconium. I always mix it, I don't always, but niobium and molybdenum too. Technetium, our first radioactive element, and it's not even, well, they claim it's not on our planet anymore, almost as though it was, although it was mined. There's no trace of maybe it's had a short half-life and it's all, half-lifed out. I don't know. Palladium, silver, cadmium, that is indium, tin, antimony, and I think it's tellurium. That's one of them I mix up with thallium and tholium and all those. Iodine, krypton, xenon, noble gas, cesium, radium, radon, radium, cerium is 58, Lanthanum. Cesium. Oh, barium. Lanthanum. I just said it. Cerium. Praseodymium. Okay, neodymium. Promethium. Europium-63 gadolinium. Oh, samarium. Europium, gadolinium. Terbium, holmium. Uh-oh. There's holmium-67. Almost. That's what I'm saying. That's why people think it's so easy to name them in order. It's not. Something like that, or terbium and erbium. Mix you up. Yttrium is 70. Lucium 71. What the heck? Oh. That's, is it fermium? No. Fermium's 100. Fluorovium's 114. What is 69? I could get 70, 71, 89, all the way through 103. Like, wait a minute. Oh, 72. I have to go back up there. All right. I'm going to fail the challenge, it looks like, because I cannot think what this is. Folium, maybe? Whew. Okay. Lucium. Ruthenium, rhodium, rutherfordium, rhodium. There's so many R's. Radon, radium. This one is rhenium? No, that's rhodium, so this is rhenium. Okay, osmium. Now to the easy ones. Iridium. Gold. Oh no! I got ahead of myself. I'll just fill it out. What is that? Platinum. Uh, 81. No, bismuth's 84, I think. 81 is lead. No, it's thallium. 83, bismuth. Polonium. 85 is what? 85 is what? I don't know. It's either nobelium or mendelevium. I don't care. Lawrencium, Rutherfordium, That one's livermorium. Oh, I'm sorry, fluorovium. There was a V in it, so V in livermorium. So, all right, that one is what? Morium? No, thorium. 105 is slipping my mind. 85 is tonight. There it is. I always misspell that one. Astatine. 105. What is 105? I don't know. As you can see, I started around 12 minutes and there's 5 something left, and I got 1 left, and I don't remember what that is. Rutherfordium. Oh, no. What could that be? Seaborgium. Well, I lost anyways. I lost the challenge. I got stumped. Where did I mess up at? Oh, I screwed up on platinum and gold. Of all the easy. This whole orange thing is cake. Transition metals. So I'm just to save time. Dubnium. That's okay. I messed up anyway, so I'll have to do another video. Take 2. All right.